In this video, I wanted to talk about a little technique I've discovered that helps you clean out the mode select switches or the variable resistors on stereo units. I had a situation the other day where a gentleman brought a stereo in here for a cleaning, and he had a little bit of a static noise in the volume control. And usually the cure for that is just to take some of the electronic lubricant cleaner and to spray inside the variable resistor. But the problem is a lot of times you can't get access to the variable resistor, and or it doesn't have an access port on it in which to spray the lubricant. What I've done in the past in situations like that is just to spray the heck out of the top of the shaft, and sometimes the lubricant would find its way down the side of the shaft into the potentiometer and solve the problem. But I've come up with a better technique here, and I thought it was worthy of making a video about. What I've done here is I've come up with a little hollow tube that's got a rubber piece on the end here, and I find that when I push it down over the shaft like this, it makes a pretty tight fit, and I'm able to take my lubricant here and I'm able to spray right inside the hole and then let it sit for a while, and eventually the lubricant finds its way down in the shaft. Then of course you turn the knob back and forth a few times until you get it. I tried doing it with just a piece of surgical tubing, and the problem is when I put it on the thread, it has such a tight fit. Wasn't sure it was going to allow any of the fluid to work its way down into the potentiometer. Of course, this technique isn't going to work in all situations because a lot of times you don't have a switching mechanism directly behind one of these. For example, on this one here, you might note that when I turn the controller here, or the mode select switch that is, what's moving is this mechanism back here. So in this case, what I had to do is spray inside here to get that to get a little cleaner there. And that's a fairly common problem. I see that a lot with these slide switches. On this one we got 3 of these actually. And we've got one on the back here too. Anyway, for what it's worth, I just thought there was something worthy of making a video about. I'm doing this for a long time, and every once in a while I come up with a better way to do things, and I thought it was worthy of sharing in this video. As always, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe.